Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get gems on Guys on iPhone. Okay, so the first thing after opening the application is to go on to the shop if you want to get gems on Guy. So in the offers, okay, you can see that the first way for us if you want to get gems on Guy is to make use of the lucky wheel. Okay, so by spinning the lucky wheel you can get the chance to get some free gems on Guy. So that's the first way, and the next way for us to get gems is by purchasing them. Okay, by purchasing gems you can have the possibility to increase your number of gems in Guy. So you can see here the number of gems you are going to obtain if you want to purchase gems in your application. Okay, you can see here that you can get 250 gems if you pay $1.99, and you can get up to 5,000 gems if you pay $22.99. So that's the second way, which is to purchase gems. Now the last way for you to get gems in Guys on iPhone in 2023 is to get some offers that are going to complete. Okay, so the more you complete offers in Guy, the more you are going to get gems on Guy, okay, for free. So all you have to do here to get started is just to tap on that get offer button, and the more you complete offers, the more you are going to get gems on Guy.